Now, before we jump on to other things, let's look at Devel Generate. So let's go to Extend and search for Generate and click on Install. And then we'll go to Configuration. And then if you scroll down, you should see this whole new section called Generate. And from here, you can generate content, so anything like a content type, menus, terms, users, and vocabularies. Let's go ahead and create users. So we're going to go ahead and create 50 users. You can create 1 user, 10 users, however many users as you want. Right now, it's actually working in the background. But give that a second or 2. There we go. Go back to Generate. And the next thing we'll do is create terms. So select your tags and then go ahead and click on terms. So now we have 10 terms within the tags vocabulary. So far, so good. Now let's go to content. And what I'll do is I will add in, I'll select article and I'll select 50 articles to be generated. And Devel will automatically assign those test users as authors. And why I recommend that you create test accounts is because if you don't, then all the articles will then be owned by either anonymous or admin or your user one. And then scroll down, and what I'll do is I will check all of these, but then I'll uncheck admin and user 1 and user 0, which is anonymous. And let's add in let's put in a prefix in the title so we know the content type. And comments, let's put in max number of comments, I don't know, 6. It'll randomly put in 6 comments. Well, up to 6 comments. Okay, so we're done, and click and generate. So now it's going to go ahead, create the comments, create the articles, and then we come along in here, we can see all of our test content. Everything's looking good. You can come along and click into the article itself. You do have this funny looking image. Like, to be honest, these images aren't the best. I often change these images just before demos for clients because you'll be surprised how important good test content is when you're demoing a site to a client. So I'll often change these images. But other than that, it automatically just populates all the fields. I think most of the fields, you can see it populates a lot. And then down at the bottom, it populates title. And then if you click on edit, it will generate, I'm not sure when, I think the authored on is always like a week later, or maybe does it? See, yeah, that's the thing I don't really like as well. Oh, no, not that. I wonder if the generated time, generated time is different. All right, that's all right. Oh yeah, okay. Before, the authored on time was always the same. But anyway, that is different. All right.